This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Android phone without the password or PIN. So pretty much every Android phone you can do a similar way. With the Samsung phone, the only thing is you do need a USB cable connected to your computer. Just plug in one of the open slots and then plug it into the phone just like this. It'll say the phone is charging, that's fine. Now, what you want to do is hold down the power button, the volume down, and when the screen goes off, switch from the power button volume down to power button volume up. So, very simple. So, just hold this down, and you can see these different options right here. Continue to hold it down until the screen goes off. Switch now, power button volume up, and you can see the screen just kind of blinked a little bit. Continue to hold this down, and it should bring you to this recovery screen. Now we can unplug this. And then we can go on down to where it says Wipe Data Factory Reset right here. And then we can go through this process to pretty much factory reset our phone. Do it one more time, and then you should be good to go. Now this will be the same method with my Google Pixel, except I don't need it plugged in with a USB cable. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.